private sectors and individuals have been doing something like this, they will help government do it. We must not leave development, humanitarian and charity to government alone. In most of the developed countries, the potentials and the effort of individuals is always even above the effort of the government of doing so. Humanitarian and charity. What about Adibumi doing, Afishola doing, and why? Mama, I think it's something that we want to do in Nigeria and governance. We encourage more people to do something like that. Unlike this program now, if you have like 15 to 20 people in one room, it spread people who need an assistance more. And then I will advise people going to different fields of assistance on the basis of humanitarian and charity. It will help you. If you have immediate programs, you need to be extrovert to that life. And when government realize that individuals are doing something more than this, the government will increase their tempo of involving in charity and humanitarian. In abroad, a student that does not have job, they will give he or she certain amount of money, and that reduces a lot of stress and curb a lot of issue of insecurity, and reduce depression, because what this program will assist in society is about reducing depression in society. But when government is doing what is necessary to be done to the citizen, definitely depression will reduce drastically. And having an NGO like this, the little aspect of depression will be taken care of, so that we can have a better society. They say an idle, I would say it's an evil portion, not devil. So definitely all harm must be on them to assist our people in the Archbishop Apawa, Archbishop Ladipo, àti ìyàwó wọn, Màmá Matilda Fọlákẹ́ Ladipo, ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó jẹ́ nǹkan yìí. Wọ́n bọ̀rọ̀ tí Archbishop Ladipo sọ, Bishop Emeritus, ó ti jẹ́ ká mọ ọ̀nà ọbẹ̀ ṣe. Kọjá ìlú Ọ̀yọ́, tí àwọn èèyàn bá ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́, wọ́n á ṣe wọn kó Ọ̀yọ́ sí, ó dẹ̀ lè dé gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Wàá bí àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n gbìyànjú kán ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́, torí wọ́n máa ń sọ pé olóyìnbó ń pè ní integrity, ẹni tó ní òtítọ́ àti òdodo. Archbishop Ladipo ó jẹ́ kan náà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, ó jẹ́ àgbà tẹ́ wọn lè fọkàn, ó jẹ́ àgbà tó bá sọ pé nìṣó ò ní ojú ẹ̀yìn kó má rí, tó bá ní òun á ṣe nǹkan á ṣe, tó bá náà ò ní ṣe ìgbà tó kò ní ṣe ni. So àwọn tó bá ràn lọ́wọ́, mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kí wọ́n mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó ní kán fi ṣe iná máa fi ṣe. Èyí tí gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ sọ pé mi ò lówó lọ́wọ́ kíní kan, ẹ̀yìn ọ̀bá lówó lọ́wọ́ pẹ̀lú position kan ti wà àti orúkọ tó ti ní kọ́ńtà tán ní nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ní Nàìjíríà àtàgbáyé kì í ṣe kan yìí. Wọ́n èèyàn láṣọ ara ẹ̀. Rọrùn mi láti wá sí Ọ̀yọ́, mo ti wà ní Ìbàdàn láti bí ọjọ́ mẹ́ta. Wọ́n mú mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ dúró ní Ìbàdàn kí lè wà ní ètò. Ẹni tó bá fẹ́ di ọjọ́ ogbó, ó bá àwọn tó ti di ọjọ́ ogbó yọ̀, kó náà lè lọ́jọ́ ogbó.